Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. For this DIY, we will use a Christmas tree metal skirt from Dollar Tree and this fiberglass sphere. Who knows how it was used before? My cousin brought it from a construction site. A prep cup. This one came from Walmart, and a wooden ring, also from Dollar Tree. As you can see, I cut the wooden ring to make a flat surface. I will attach it to the prep cup using E6000 glue and let it dry for 24 hours. Next, I will spray paint the metal skirt outside and let it dry for 24 hours. Here is a sphere nicely spray painted in blue. Using my measuring tape, I will make some markings using masking tape to place the stencils. The sphere is about 15 inches in diameter, so it is big and it is hard to work under the camera with it. Next, I will apply the stencils and make adjustments as needed to create a nice and even surface. I am very curious about where this sphere came from and how it was used. It has a screw at the top or maybe at the bottom. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. Thank you to all my subscribers for their support in the last 2 years. If you are new, welcome. I wish each one of you a healthy, joyful, and peaceful holiday season. I hope you enjoy your time with family and friends. Next, I will cover the rest of the sphere using plastic bags and masking tape to prepare it for spray painting. You can also use newspaper or whatever you have on hand. Here's the sphere nicely covered. I will go outside and spray paint this section in gold. The sphere is nice and dried. It is time to remove the plastic and the masking tape. A little bit of the blue paint came off, but overall, it is all good. To make the design appear bigger, I will add this golden trim at the top and the bottom of the design. The trim has a peel-off side, so it will be easy to apply it. Lastly, using E6000 glue, I will attach the ornament cap and let it dry for 24 hours. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this large ornament? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.